Okay, so part two, because the first one just didn't work, but we learned a lot. So originally, a lot of people couldn't see the pipe. That was the pipe that was on the return side coming out of the top of the compost. You can see it coming out of the bottom, working its way up and going through here. We still had the same pipe, I just moved it a little bit, brought it underneath, going down into the side of the compost. So then, I made more water mass, so I have up top there an overflow pipe which comes down into here, and then underneath, well, now you ain't gonna be able to see it anymore because I don't want to move this, but there is a solar powered pump, and then that has this tube here, and it just fell out. I gotta fix that yet, but it's gonna go in the top there, and it's just that little itty bitty solar panel. There's my hand. So then these two stainless steel nipples that I have threaded into the bung holes of the barrel. This is the top of a barrel sitting on top of another barrel that's full of water. And so that pump will pump the water out up there, flow back down into here. And this will be like a decorative pond or easy to water plants or something. I haven't figured it out yet. And then these is what the water will go back down into this barrel so it can keep cycling back and forth. And so there's two of them to make sure this one don't overflow, because this one's got to drain faster than this one does. And I also have a garden hose hooked up so I can draw from this here, and that gives me like 40 gallons of water, and I can keep just dumping 5-gallon buckets in here or whatever I want. It'll work its way up there, so it's easier than trying to reach all the way up there every time you want to fill it, because this is, I'm 6 foot tall, it's almost 7.5 feet to the top there. And so if you can just put the water in here, and the water will go into here, and then the sun will pump the water up to the top as it need be. And it gained it from 39 degrees to 42 degrees with 109 degree water in 2 of these drums. That's pretty impressive considering it's 35 out.